Hello my friends, welcome back. Alright, we've done the modeling of the floor and the ceiling for the model that we have here. As you saw in the previous sections, we made the ceiling, the rooftop for the model, and even you can delete it and just drag a square and then give it the thickness. Yes, it would be like this. It is fine. And make a group for this part. Let's get to the kitchen that we have here and the kitchenette as well. First, let me hide this roof, that ceiling, and hide these lines. Actually, I'm gonna clear them. Very good. So, you know, as the kitchen is considered as a functional space, so let me get to the main place that we have a kitchen here. And as you know, the kitchen includes functions such as cooking, washing, and it also has a refrigerator. Yes. The relationship between these three factors in the kitchen is very important. That is, if you as a woman or a man want to do something in the kitchen, first take something out of the refrigerator, then wash it, or maybe you want to cook it. Then there are three important points in the kitchen that form a triangle, which is work triangle, as you can see. And the closer the points of this triangle are to each other, the better its use and performance. So you should consider this triangle a very important thing that you should consider in modeling. Therefore, you should handle and manage these 3 points, these 3 things in your modeling, and also structural issues and building constraints such as water pipe locations are issues that must be considered and will affect our modeling as well. Now it's time to show you some examples, yes, some samples that we have here. They're pictures. I'm going to show them to you so that you can understand this subject very well. All right, here, as you can see in this case, let me close it, this one. Yes, let's get to this one first. We have these 3 items that are so much close to each other, which is so good. And for the next one, we have this triangle, work triangle actually. So sink and cooking section and a refrigerator should be close to each other, as you can see, which is so suitable for the kitchen. Yes, they are so close to each other, which is so good. We have some pattern, yes, for modeling, and there are some issues you should consider them, which are so important in modeling. For example, in this U kitchen, yes, we have sink under the window, which gives us a good view. But you cannot set the stove under it since maybe wind turns off the fire, so it is not suitable to set the stove under the window. Therefore, we have sink under it, and we have these 3 points. And in L shape of the kitchen, we have a stove on this side, and a refrigerator and the sink is next to each other. But the best way is each one of them should be on each side. And the last one is the parallel shape. Yes, stove and sink is on one side and the refrigerator is on the other side. And we have another pattern which is linear, that all 3 points are on the same side. In our model, as you can see, we have these 3 points. Yes, on each side. We have sink under the window and we have refrigerator here. You should also consider a number of issues related to the beautification of your model that will make your kitchen beautiful. For example, what items should be placed horizontally or vertically, and it is also much better if the refrigerator is at the entrance to the kitchen, because when you enter the house, you may have bought some items and want to put them in the refrigerator and have better access to them as well. Well, some kitchens may have a washing machine and even a dishwasher. Yes, you can set them, for example, in this part. As you can see, it is a good place for them. Or for a kitchenette, it may have a refrigerator and an additional stove or even a sink as well, but all of them are on the same side. As I said, another important issue is the location of electrical switches or gas and water pipes, which must also be taken into account. Thank you so much. That's it for this section, and I hope you got this section very well. See you next time. Have a good day.